In our last lecture, we construct a DFA that accepts all strings of A and B which are divisible by 5. All strings which are divisible by 5. But now we will see that how we can construct a minimal DFA that accept all binary number which are divisible by 5. But before that, in automata theory, we have seen that how we can construct a DFA, not minimal DFA, how we can construct a DFA that accept all binary number which are divisible by 5. So from that I assume that you know how we can come to that conclusion of that language. This is 0, this is 5, this is 10, this is 15. In that way, in binary numbers, in that way we are going to reach on that if we write like these binary numbers, so we can get these language. One 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 0 star 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 star 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 star. So how we can construct a minimal DFA for that? Let's see. Start with the initial state. Here I am going to take S0 instead of Q0. Q1 I am going to take S0, S1, S2. So it will be easy to understand. Let's see. Start with S0 because we have 0 as a transition. We have 0 as a in language, so we can make S0 as a final state, and we can make a loop of 0 on S0. Now move to the next S1 and 1 because next we have 1 0 1. So S1 to S2 0 1 0, and from S0 1 and 0, and from S1 0, and from S2 we can make a transition for 1, so we can get 1 0 1. Now move to the next. S2 to S3, and we make a transition of S3 to S2 1, and we make a transition S3 to S1 0. Now what we can get? 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 0, and now we required 1 1 1 1. So what we can give, we can make another transition from S3 to S4, and we make a 0, and we make a transition from S1 to S3 as a 1. So what we can get now, let's see. 1 0 1 0, we are getting 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0, we are having 1 0 1, we are having, and 1 1 1 1 0 star, we are having 1 0 1 0, and let's see S4 and we make a transition for S2 to S4 0, and we make a loop of 1 on S4. So from S0 0 1, from S1 0 and 1, from S2 1 and 0, from S3 1 and 0, from S4 0 and 1. So now we can cross check we have this one or not. 1 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 0. So now we are having all the string what we have. So this is the DFA, minimal DFA, and we can write this minimal DFA in another way which is more easier to understand, that is the transition table. How we can write it? We have transition for 0 and 1, and we start with the S0 state, and here because this is starting state, so we make as a star, and from S0 to 0, from S0 to 0 where we are moving on S0 only, so we write here S0, and from S0 to 1 where we are moving on S1, so we write here S1. Now we write here S1, and from S1 to 0 where we are moving to S2, and from S1 to 1 where we are moving, from S1 to 1 where we are moving to S3. From S1 to 1 we are moving to S3, so we write here S3. Now write S2 to 0 where we are moving, S2 to 0 we are moving to S4, S2 to 0 we are moving S4, so we write here S4, and S2 to 1 where we are moving, S2 to 1 we are moving to S0, so we write here S0. Now we write S3 to 0 we are moving to S1, and S3 to 1 we are moving to S2. Now S4, from S4 to 0 we are going to S3, so we write here S3, and S4 to 1 where we are going 1, S4 to 1 where we are going S4, so we write here S4. So in that way our transition table is complete from this diagram. So we can clearly see how we can write the transition table easily instead of that diagram. So we start with S0 initial state, and we make it as a star because it's initial state, and whatever transition we are going from 0 or 1 we can clearly see from S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, and again S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. So how we can cross check that it is correct or not? From 0 we start S0, and for 1 we say S1, for 1 0 we can say S2, and for 1 1 we can say S3, and for 1 0 0 we can say S4. How we can cross check? See, from here, from S0 0, from S1, S0 to S1 what we are getting? 1. From S2 what we are getting? 1 0. S3 what we are getting? 1 1. S4 what we are getting? 1 0 and 0. 1 0 and 0. This is 4. So, and for 1 0 1, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 in binary number. So 1 0 1 is 5 in binary number. So where we are reaching? Let's see. 1 0 and 1. 1 0 and 1. Where we are reaching? We are reaching on S0. We are reaching on S0. That means whenever we get 5 or we get 0 remainder, we will reach on S0. Whenever we are getting 5 or we can say 0 remainder, we are reaching on S0. Whenever we are having 1 remainder, then on S1, 2 remainder, then S2, 3 remainder, then S3, and 4 remainder, then S4. And whenever we are reaching on 0 remainder, it means whenever we are getting 5 or divisible of 5, then we are reaching on S0. In the similar way, we can see when 1 1 0, then where we are reaching 1 1 0, 1 1 0, 1 1 0, where we are reaching on S1. On S1. And what does it mean 1 1 0? 1 1 0 is 6. 6 is divisible by 5, then what remainder we are getting? 1. That's why we are reaching on S1. The similar way, if we are having 1 1 1, then where we are reaching? Let's see. 1 1 1. 1 1 1, where we are reaching on S2. Here we are reaching on S2. That is 7. That is 7. So 7 divided by 5, then what we are having? 2 remainder. So we are reaching on S2. In the similar way, if we are having 1 0 0 0, so let's see where we are reaching. 1 0 0 0. So we start from here. 1 0 and another 0 and another 0 and another 1. Sorry, 1 0 0 0. We start as not 1 0 and 0 and 0, where we are reaching on S3. Start with S0, 1 0 0 and 0, where we are reaching on S3. So this is S3. So this is 8. 8 is divisible by 5, then what remainder we are having? 3. So we are reaching on S3. In the similar way, if we are having 1 0 0 1, then where we are reaching? 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 and 1, 1 0 0 and 1. So where we are reaching on S4. Means 5 is divisible by 5, then what remainder we are having? 4. So we are reaching on S4. So if we move to the next, then if we have 1 0 1 0, then where we are reaching? 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 0. So we are reaching on S0 only. Where we are reaching? On S0. So that is 10. 10 is exactly divisible by 5. So there is no remainder, or we can say 0 remainder. So we are reaching on the same state S0. In the same way, whenever we are having 0 remainder, or we can say it is correctly divisible by 5, then we are reaching on S0. If 1 remainder, then S1, then 2 remainder, then S2, then 3 remainder, then S3, and 4 remainder, then S4. So we can simply write that transition table in a simple way for 0 and 1 transition from initial state S0, for S0 S1, for S1 S2 S3, for S2 S4, and whenever it completed, then again it will start from S0, then S3 S1 S2, and S4 S3 S4. And it is a prime number. We can say 5 is a prime number, so there is no duplication and there is no repetition in the table. So simply we can write like this, and we can simply see that we are going on the correct path. So in that way we can make a minimal DFA that accept all binary number which are divisible by 5.